Yo, welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to another brand new video. I got another POV for y'all today, y'all. Guess what? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who's watching my POVs or watching my videos. I do appreciate you guys. I love you guys a lot. So much. Appreciate it. We are with the Camry again, and she is dirty, as y'all can see. Look at her. You know, it's been snowing, it's been dirty, so, but she's still clean like usual. It's just a lot of salt and stuff. So boys, it is about to be Christmas. Hopefully you guys are excited. Hopefully you guys with your families, with your loved ones, anything. If you guys are by yourself, I still have love for you guys. I appreciate you guys. Drive around real quick. I'm about to go pick up a smoothie or a little acai bowl, and we just about to start our day. And hopefully you guys enjoy this one. I got 2 videos this week, maybe 3, a bonus one, but it's a good day. I'm feeling good. Hopefully you guys are doing good, so enjoy this one. We out. Boys, we are about to hit 25K. I know that might seem a lot. I do go to school and back to school, you know, these last 3 years or these last 2 years, but running up 25K in a year is OD. I can tell you guys this, that door dashing adds up. All those miles adds up, and I'm telling you, I mean, it's cool, but it's like I'm racking a whole bunch of miles on my car, and I know that's not really good to do in the first year, but it's okay. The car was gonna get spoiled this Christmas, but I'm gonna do that for my birthday. Y'all can see on my birthday, somewhere in January. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys, but you know what I'm saying. How to get some Christmas gifts, you know, stuff like that. I just been working pretty much. I'm gonna work today. Hopefully get some good money as well for myself and other people as well. One cool thing I want to let you guys know is I'm gonna be adding more stuff, or I'm gonna be investing into my, you know, camera and stuff. So I'm gonna get some more accessories for that as well. Can't wait. That spoiler, yes, we've been trying to get that spoiler for a while now. Been trying to get that in August, and after everything that happened, we will be getting a new spoiler in 2026. I know I'm keep delaying you guys, and I know you guys are excited to see that, and the mirror caps as well. Once I get that upgrade 2 and then upgrade 3, we probably gonna go with, I don't know yet. I gotta look at my my notes that I have written down for the special Camry, you know what I'm saying? But I can do mention, ever since the 2026 Toyota Camrys that came out, their headlights are sweet. I would probably get new headlights, I ain't gonna lie. I might have to cop myself the 2026 ones. What do y'all think though? You think it's reasonable on the 25? I mean, they're literally the same car on the exterior wise, but in the interior, it's a little different technology, a little bit. Hey, make sure you guys are inside warm. You know, it is a little cold, you know, people getting sick, so hopefully you guys don't get sick. But I want you guys to enjoy Christmas, enjoy spending time with family, loved ones, girlfriend, boyfriend, mom, dad, brother, sister, cousins, you know what I'm saying? And if you want to show some love, you can turn on the OnlyCarter, I'm saying. Right here, this right here, listen to all these songs real quick. Duck Your Head, So Rich, Start a Business, I Key, You Key, We Key, Credit Over Debit, Icon, Purple Inside My Cup. I'm telling you guys, vision. It's all about the vision. And then if you want, listen to Jay-Z. You know, Jay-Z's cool, you know, stuff like that. But I don't know if you guys listen to music all like that. Oh, I think I forgot to order it, yeah. It's always the Camry drivers. It's always the Camry drivers. Especially the Karens. I don't understand. They're so goofy. God, my car just feels, you know what I'm saying? Once she gets that car wash, and once we detail her, she will be nice, fresh, and smooth. Black on black, everything, man. It's not that bad of a drive, I ain't gonna lie. Ballin' in LA. Ballin' in LA. Yo, let me inform y'all. To the people who love me so much, and the people who enjoy these videos, I don't think we're gonna be hitting 2K before December 31st. We might hit it the first week of January or second week of January. But let's go. Let's keep it pushing, guys. Let's keep it going. 5K is the next goal, and then 10K. And then hopefully we can just keep progressing, you know what I'm saying? Hit the charts, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys do subscribe so I can produce more content for you guys. But you guys been doing a good job. Hopefully you guys been blessed. Hopefully you guys been well. I know most you guys are on break or something. Just sit back, relax, put someone on, you know what I'm saying? Invest in yourself, you know what I'm saying? That's all that matters. Investing in yourself so you can accomplish better things in life. Cause we gonna make it out one day. Hey, we. All right, let me stop. I just have a lot of energy today. Just excited to give you guys a POV, you know what I'm saying? Every video is different and it's unique. I feel like doing POVs for me, wise, back home is a lot better because like there's so many more ideas, more places I can go to record, just, you know, do me. But back at like school, it's like, dude, I have to drive far to even do a POV. Like the POVs in Hampton, bro, it's kind of buns cakes. I don't know, I just feel like it's the location. Hampton's location is kind of buns. There's like nowhere really to like record and stuff. Got one more semester, boys. Hey, yo, homie. Be a college graduate. I know y'all excited to watch that Stranger Things, cause I am. I didn't even watch the trailer for volume 1. What is it? Volume 2, I believe. Comes out December 25th. If you guys do not know, Stranger Things Volume 2 comes out December 25th at 8 p.m. It's not gonna come out in the morning, unfortunately. I wish it did. Jeez, this buddy crazy. But yeah, I wish it did. I'm gonna have to watch it at night, but it's all good. Hopefully it's not trash, bro. Cause they made us wait this long for it, bro. Come on. Okay, there's a little more cars on the road. I know that GMC's mad. Those free cuts, bro. Free cuts. Crucial fundamentals. On the block, on the storage line. I'm telling you, bro. It's really that simple. It's so easy to maneuver. See, look at this car. Look at this Chrysler. Saying he's not locked. He's not locked. Never was. See, look, this is what I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna get behind this Honda, right? Actually, I could keep it going real quick. Oh, sheesh. That restaurant right there in front of us, it is called RH Rooftop. That place is extremely good. Look, it's a store at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see it right in front of us. It's a store at the bottom and it's a restaurant on top. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So good. So good. Honestly, I would recommend going there, boys. It's a really good restaurant. Seriously. If you're in the Cleveland area, stop by. This is Pinecrest over here. You know, other plazas on this side. I feel like for me, that's the older side. This is the newer side, newer generation, their generation. Hopefully y'all enjoyed some of those cuts. I wouldn't say those were really cuts, just maneuver, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all how many subs we were at. We are currently sitting at 1,672. Appreciate it, guys. We are about to hit 1.7. Congratulations. hopefully I don't get spawned into no side mission. But yeah, we about to pull up real quick. Yo, unfortunately the GoPro just died, bro. I didn't have it fully charged, but I'm gonna just walk in here now. Look guys, got the acai bowl right here. You know, with the Toyota Camry, you know what I'm saying? She look good though. This food looks good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks real healthy. Yes, sir. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Look at that. Look how good that is. You got all the colors. You got the granola, you got the strawberry, you got the blueberry, you got the strawberry. I meant the bananas, my bad. And you got the acai. You see the purple? Yes, sir. So further in that note, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy y'all day. Comment, you know, do y'all thing with this video. And hopefully you guys do enjoy it. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. See ya.